What's up, guys? So today I got a Fender. I'm gonna be replacing this Fender right here. As you guys know, got into literally a fender bender, and I actually got into another accident. It wasn't as bad, but a lot of paint damage, but I'll get to that right now. So ever since this fender bender happened, I didn't want to fix it and have it repainted, because this is off my old DC4 and that car got totaled, and I want to take this fender off. And there's also a lot of other like miscellaneous parts on the car that I want to take off and replace with like nicer parts from the junkyard. So expect to see junkyard videos or streams. I don't know if you guys want videos or streams, because I'm gonna be picking up some more parts. This is the nasty that happened, and it's pretty crazy story behind this, but all this is completely gone. So what had happened is that I was pulling out of a driveway, and there was a dumpster right there next to me, and so the dumpster was completely hiding me where the box is at, but you know, the dumpster was up here. So when I came out the driveway, I barely poked out, and a minivan came and sideswiped the car. I already know this type of collision, insurance will say it's my fault. It's okay, we all have insurance for a reason. Like I said, we all have insurance for a reason. I didn't see the minivan, and it came and it sideswiped. It almost took off the license plate, took off all this, and the beauty about this is that it's a repainted car, and I could work my magic with rattle can, and I could fix this. I don't know if I should post a video of this repair and the cut and buff and everything, but let me know. But I'm gonna be replacing this fender. Okay, yeah, so let me continue about this real quick on how it ended. So the minivan hit me, and there was another minivan in back of her, and so when she stopped, she flagged down the other minivan, and the other minivan sped off. But that minivan had nothing to do with the accident. She hit me. That minivan didn't even touch her. I seen everything. And so she got out her minivan and started chasing that other vehicle. And long story short, that minivan ended up speeding away. The woman got back into her vehicle and chased after the other person. And it's like stop and go traffic with traffic, you know, stop signs, because it was like almost at an intersection, residential area. So I got in the car and I'm trying to follow them, like to tell her, like, you know, the situation, and it ended up being like too dangerous for me to even try and attempt to chase that person. So that person went to go look for that other person, and I was left with this damage. It was a big, huge misunderstanding, because she thought that that other minivan hit her, but she hit me. And that minivan and that dumpster was actually just hiding my car, so she didn't even know I existed. So that's some pretty crazy stuff, but little by little I'm gonna take this fender off and then fix this, and everything should be pretty good. Besides that, this quarter panel is a little bit wavy. Can't really do anything about that, but I'm just gonna live with this. So instead of showing you like a long unboxing video of this, just gonna pull out the fender, look at it overall, and throw it on the car. It's pretty easy to take it off. The fender, you just got to take off the side skirt. There's two 10mm bolts right here, one right here, and 3 going down here, but on the inside, and 2 clips right here that actually hold it to the bumper cover, and it pops right off. So I'm gonna go take that fender out, check it out better, and let's see. Alright, so this is the fender right here, and at first glance it actually looks real nice. I've never got a generic part like this that's just made from China or Taiwan or wherever. Kind of dusty. The only thing that I did buy that was like ultra generic that turned out to be pretty good was this bumper cover. This is just a knockoff bumper cover. I got it for like $120, And fortunately, I kind of lucked out. It's pretty nice finish. I've never seen an Integra that matches up right here. They're all sagging, you know, they're over 20 years old, almost 30 years old, so this plastic is gonna be sagging and everything. But that turned out to be good, so hopefully this Fender will be kind of good too. Sheet metal right here kind of looks a little funny, a little bit wavy, kind of more, maybe a little bit more flimsier, but overall it doesn't look too bad. Overall damage, I see one little divot right there from the outside in, and then I see something right here. Not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up. Yeah, right there, and that's from the outside in. So outside the box, these things need a good sanding, primer, paint and clear, but it definitely needs to be sanded up in some areas. But overall, it looks good. Now let's just see how it looks on the car. So this is basically like the upside of working on like these older Japanese cars. This is all you need to remove the fender. Basically a stubby screwdriver for the side skirt, red ratchet extension, 10mm, and a 10mm box and open and wrench. That's about it. And this is for the little tabs that go under here and that take off the skirt. Basically you go under here, take off these little plastic screws. So after you take off those little plastic tabs, everything's gonna slide this way and out. And yeah, I did forget, there are screws on the splash shield that actually mount up to it. So after you take those out, it'll be all good. So I got the skirt off. Looks pretty grimy under there. Probably clean it up real nice before I throw it back on. So yeah, so those are the two 10s right here. Pull those off and it should be good. Alright, so I already got them off. Now it's time to take off these and should all be good. Man, you could tell that these things are, it feels tweaked. Like the metal got pushed in when the car hit it. Like I'm relieving the tension basically. And the little hidden bolt is right inside there. Right there. That's why you need the extension. Once you pull it off, it's probably gonna attach here on these little tabs right here. It's already pretty much falling off already. And yeah, after you take these little tabs off the fender liner, it'll pull off. Alright, so I totally forgot about like this little grimy screw that goes right here that holds this together. There's always something hiding in here, but yeah, this fender's thrashed right here. It's time to get rid of this for the new year. Alright guys, so pretty filthy all around here. Kind of crazy. It'd be kind of cool if I had like a pressure washer to clean all this, but it's cool. And I sliced my hand too, my finger. Shit sucks. This sheet metal's kind of sharp in here. Alright, so I'm gonna throw the fender on and let's see how it looks like. It's right there. I compared them. They look pretty good. Alright guys, so after trying to adjust and adjust more and more, I pushed this as far forward as it can go. The gap is kind of small here, gets bigger here, and also this panel kind of sticks out more. The fender is out more. I tried pushing it in, and I'm pretty sure it's got to do with that bolt inside there. But on a scale 1 through 10, I'm gonna say this is about a 6 out of a 10. If you have a track car, you just need to throw some panels on there. You're just trying to build or just get on the road, I would definitely go for this. If not, just get an OEM replacement. I'm gonna make this work 100%. Gonna put like a little time because these panels never really line up anyways. You always have to like finagle with them, and you do little things, shim them sometimes and all that. So I'm gonna end up making this work and painting it. But would I buy another one? Definitely not. But that's just my opinion. I gotta clean this engine bay. But yeah, so that's a little video, just test fitting it. I'm gonna throw this one back on and prep and paint this one. If you want to see a little video on that, let me know, or else I'm gonna just do it real quick. And yeah, and then once this is painted and cured, I'm gonna throw it on the car. But yeah, but it should be good. So if you like this video, you want to see more like it, please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, the junkyard streams are gonna come back. But yeah, so alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.